At 1777 Chestnut, there were 4 complex issues that we were trying to solve. Initially, it was the window condensation. Second issue that we were trying to solve was the glass that was spontaneously breaking. Third and fourth items, the complex issues that we were trying to solve for was the fire sprinkler systems and the domestic water systems, where we had suspect incompatible materials in contact with the CPVC piping that was causing significant water losses within the occupied residential units.
We were brought to the table originally by a forensic engineering team. After investigating, we found that there were some additional items on the property that needed to be addressed.
Because of the nature of the building, being a high-rise and being occupied, it required really some outside-the-box thinking. So we had to work with Spyder specifically and the ownership group to ultimately figure out a plan where we could phase the building in such a way that fire life safety was not compromised for anyone that continued to live in the building.
Our team's done an amazing job of bringing issues to the ownership and to the engineering team, and more importantly, bringing solutions to the table when we find those issues. That trust that we've built with that team has allowed us to be a great candidate for future projects while having multiple parties overseeing your work.
We have a pretty large network of engineers and consultants, as well as a lot of construction knowledge and time in the industry within our team here in Spyder Construction. And so whenever we were able to kind of examine and look at the issues within the building, we were already able to tell the client what the solutions were and what the best way to approach those solutions would be.
This is definitely a team-driven effort. It's a collaborative group working to ensure that the property's water system is fully restored. We're doing that by systematically removing the drywall and exposing all existing CPVC throughout the units and ensuring that all CPVC is replaced with new pipe at the highest level of standard.
For folks that are considering Spyder, I'd say that they bring a really good reputation. From our experience, they communicate really well, they take very complicated issues and they are able to scale it in a way that makes sense and ultimately deliver a project.
They're a great partner. They want to understand what all the issues are. They strive to make sure that whatever repair solution is presented is the correct one, and then they execute it very well.